Yeah, hi guys, welcome to PCF. Okay, so in our previous video, we discuss about the indexes. Okay, so what is index, how that index will work, and so what is the advantage and what is the disadvantages. So we learned in our previous classes, right? So in this session, okay, in this session, we are going to learn about the what is identity column. Okay, what is identity column? Creating identity column. Okay, so we can supply. Okay, if you delete something in value, so you can explicitly you can include that value or not. So that we'll see. And also if you delete the entire table, and also if you have the identity, so we'll see. Okay, we will see what is the identity and how to reset these identity values and all. We'll see in detail. Okay, see, if you see the employee table, guys, okay, here is the employee table, and in employee table we have a primary key. Okay, we have a primary key. Okay, this is the ID column. So ID column 1 2 4 7, something like this. We have an order. Okay, so I'm not going to say so suppose if I deleted the 4, something like that, and if I want to, so identity means this number. Okay, this primary key number. So we have to generate uniquely. Okay, we have to generate system, so that should be generated by the SQL. Okay, we are not going to, so this ID value we entered manually. Okay, in employee table we have entered this ID values manually, but I don't want to enter the primary key, so should generate the database itself. Okay, I don't want to generate any value for that ID. Okay, whatever the primary key value is there, so that I should be generate automatically. So with the this one, okay, primary key. Okay, so for that we will use identity, means that it will create automatically. Identity will create automatically one number. That for that you have to give the, so what is the seed and what is the increment. Okay, what is the seed and what is the increment? There is table is not existed. Okay, so you have to ID int not null. From here you are very clear, even with the primary key. But identity, so there are two parameters case. Okay, there are two parameters we have to provide. One is, this is a seed. Okay, this is seed, and this is increment. Okay, increment means every 5 records you want to increase. Okay, so starting 1 and then starting 100 also you can keep. Okay, suppose if you keep 100, seed is 100 and increment is a 5, so every time, okay, when the record will increase, so first is 100, then after it will be 105, then after it will be 110, sorry, 110, and then after, so every time it will increase 5. Okay, that is about the seed increase. Okay, it will automatically increase, so you no need to provide the value for that case. Okay, no need to provide the values for that. Okay, let me do that. Okay, whether it is working same way or not. Okay, so let me execute it. Okay, so sorry, let me execute the table now. Okay, so it's created. Okay, we'll insert the values. Okay, we'll insert the values. Insert. Okay, insert into table. Okay, insert into table, sorry, insert into table name. Okay, so you can take the TBL person. Just a minute, guys. Okay. So yeah, so we will insert the data into TBL person. Okay, and then values. Okay, this time we are not going to provide any value, guys. Okay, so if you want to keep 100 also, no problem. So just I'm keeping 1 1. Okay, so it will every time it will increase 1. Okay, and here we have to provide value, so just only ABC. Okay, so name. Okay, some a, so I'm providing some a, and then so next value some, okay, BBB, something like that. And so again, if you want to insert one more record, yes. So only name column only I'm providing. Okay, name column only, name values only I'm providing. I'm not providing for the identity case. Okay, so ID value or primary key value I'm not providing. It itself, it's database itself, it will create that. Okay, database itself, it will create that. Okay, so let's, so some name, some DDD. Okay, so 4 records enough. Okay, let me execute it, guys. Okay, let me execute it. It's executed. Okay, 4 rows inserted. So whether we'll see whether the identity is no so it's bring the values or not. Okay, let me go here and then select char from TBL person. Okay, and then execute. Okay, see, automatically it's increased the values. Okay, 1 2 3 4 something like that. Okay, suppose if you delete the record 2. Okay, suppose if you deleted record 2. Okay, delete from TBL person, TBL, okay, where id is equal to 2, where id is equal to 2. Okay, and then deleted. Okay, deleted successfully. There is no 2 now. So if I insert the record, so where it will be inserted? It will be inserted at record 5 or record 2. Okay, so we'll try to insert some more values, that is EE. Okay, so from here only I'm executing. So just I've inserted one more record, and this time we'll see. So it will use the number 2 or it will do the increment number 5. Let's do that. Okay, see, it's not use the existing one. Okay, it's automatically executed at the end of. Okay, so next incremental value, right? So it's use the next incremental value, but it's not use the where it is deleted. So but I want to use that. Okay, I want to use that explicitly. So I want to insert even 2 record. Okay, I want to use the 2 record. Okay, that time, okay, that time I will just remove this. Okay, just remove these values, and this time I am going to provide the value id2, id2 comma. Okay, and then I am providing the value id2 comma, and then the name is something ff. Okay, so I'm trying to insert that. What will happen? We'll see that, guys. Okay, just execute it. No, so an explicit values identity column. Okay, so if you want to see that, just I will take a copy and then I will paste it here. Okay, you can see that. Okay, so when a column list is used and an identity insert is on. Okay, so if you want to explicit you want to explicit insert that value, so you have to on the identity on. Okay, you have to on the identity on, then only so it will work, then only it will work. Okay, so let me see that, guys. Okay, how to on the identity on. Okay, so we'll go here, set identity. So we'll take a copy. Okay, go here and set identity on. Okay, keep set identity on. Okay, so set identity on, and on which table you want to on which table. Okay, you have to specify on which table you want to on. Okay, so on TBL person I want to on. Okay, now so if I execute this, okay, still it will execute or not, we'll see that. Okay, still if it is execute or not, no. So you have to specify the column values. Okay, columns. Okay, so you have to specify the columns. Okay, so like what are the columns? We have id comma what name. Okay, and then close. Now this time we'll try to execute it. It will take, yes, it will take. Okay, so then execute it, so we can use that to explicitly. Okay, so again, so if I so I didn't off the identity on, and then I'm executing the values. Okay, I'm executing the value, I'm inserting one more record. Okay, insert. Okay, just I am not providing any identity value. Okay, I'm not providing any identity value. I'm removing this. Okay, this time some other name. Okay, some other name, ggg. Okay, ggg. Okay, so I'm inserting. This time it will take or not. Okay, let's see. Okay, execute it. No, it's not taking. Why? Because that identity is on. Okay, that is the reason it's not taking. Okay, that is the reason it's not taking. So you have to off. Okay, you have to off the identity insert off. Okay, just go here and off the identity insert off. Okay, and then execute. Okay, and then execute. Okay, so that identity set we have set off, and then we'll try to execute it. Okay, we'll try to execute it, so it will execute it successfully. Now see, okay, when you set insert identity insert off, then only it executed, and then so it also taken the value 6. Okay, value 6. This way we can keep the identity. Suppose you have deleted total records. Okay, I'm not keeping any records. Okay, just I want to delete the total records. Okay, so just total records. Okay, this time you are going to insert again. Okay, again fresh values. I'm going with the A. Okay, so from where, so earlier where we are at a 6 identity 6 value, right? So if I insert this time now, so where it will be, go, so it will start from, is it start from 1 or is it start from 6? Okay, we'll see that. Okay, 7. Okay, it started from 7. It's not, no, it's not resetted. Okay, it's not resetted the values. Okay, in this case, if you want to reset the, okay, if you want to reset the identity values, we have to use the DCC command. Okay, DCC check identity. Okay, we have to use DCC check identity. Okay, so let me remove this and then go here. Okay, so let me go here. DBCC. Okay, DBCC check ident, open bracket, on which table you want to do that. Okay, and which table you want to reset that. Okay, so that comma recede, you have to write recede. Okay, recede from where? 0. Okay, recede from 0. Okay, so comma and then 0 and then close. Okay, now execute it, it will execute successfully. Then you will start from, okay, then you will start from 0. Okay, so now, so if you execute it, there is no data. So this time I'm executing, it will start from 1. Okay, 1 row is affected. Now execute it. See, so if you execute one more record, it will start from 2. Okay, that way we can go with the identity case. Okay, hope you understand what is identity and all. Okay, so in next